What's up, guys? Today I'm showing you guys how to record your voice and make a ringtone with it. Alright, first you go to the App Store. You search GarageBand. I already have it, so I'm just going to open it. Alright, you have to go to Instruments. Make sure that you're on Audio Recorder. And then you record your voice. So I'm just gonna do something like, somebody's calling you. Please answer. Alright, so I got that, and then you go down here to My Songs, and then you hold that, and then you go to Share, and then press Ringtone, and then you can name it something. You can name it like Ringtone. Done. And then export. Yeah, I already have it. So just wait, and then you can press OK or use sound as, and then as ringtone. And then what you do is you would go to your settings. Then you would go to your sounds, ringtone, and then you have it. Ringtone. Somebody's calling you. Please answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button and comment, and goodbye.